Hi friends, in this video I'm going to explain step by step on how to set up the nodes in the Jenkins machine and enabling the SSH connection between the nodes and Jenkins Master through SSH for the node type like Unix or Mac machines. Before creating the nodes in the Jenkins machine and enabling the SSH connection, first we have to do some setup on the node machine. We have to first complete the below setup on the node machines. On your node machine, go to the Apple menu, System Preferences, click Sharing, then select Remote Login. We have to enable the remote login on Mac machines before we are enabling the SSH connection. Okay, so this is the System Preferences and click Sharing. Check that remote login and remote management is enabled. Yeah, so it's enabled here. Then check Java is installed on the node machine using the command in the terminal. If Java is not available, install the Java. So the command is Java version. So now go to Mac machine, node Mac machine. So this is the terminal. Check the Java is installed on Java version. Yeah, so Java is installed. This Java 1.8 has been installed on this machine. Okay, next step is, if your company having the firewall process, then whitelist the IP address of node from firewall by raising the request to your IT team with the below data. So the data is Jenkins URL and IP address of node, then port number 22. So you submit the request to your IT team. Once the IP address of node is whitelisted, then you can enable for SSH connection for the node. After that, in the users and for a particular user, and generate the SSH key using command SSH key generation. Okay, so while generating SSH key, when asked to enter the file, you need to save the key, enter blank. After that, when asked to enter the passphrase, enter blank. Enter blank when asked to enter the same passphrase again. After that, private and public key would be generated. Now I will copy the contents of private key using the command cat id rsa. First I have to go to the .ssh folder where the private and public key would be generated. Okay, so now we have completed the setup on the node machine. Okay, now I'll start explaining how to set up the nodes in the Jenkins machine and enabling the SSH connection between the node and Jenkins Master through SSH for the node which we have already done the setup. Okay, now go to the Jenkins. Okay, then navigate to Jenkins, click manage Jenkins, click manage and node, then click new node, then enter the node name test SSH. provide permanent agent, click OK. Then remove directory where the SSH key generation happened, that is lab users / lab user. Then use this node as much as possible. Launch method, click here, select launch agents for SSH, then provide the host. Then credential, click add Jenkins, select SSH username with private key. The scope is global Jenkins node items all, yeah, let it be. And the description, test SSH credentials, enter lab user, username of node mission. Then we have to enter the private key. Select the private key, enter directly, click add. Then you have to paste the private key what you have copied from the node mission and paste here and click add. Let the test SSH credentials, then host key, no verification strategy, known host file verification strategy. Select the non-verifying verification strategy. Then availability, keep this agent as much as possible. Then click save. Then the SSH connection would be formed. You can see that the connection between node and Jenkins Master would be formed. Yeah. Then observe the logs. So you can see that the agent is connected and the agent is successfully connected and online. Yeah. So now the connection is found between Jenkins Master and the node. Okay, now you can execute your scripts from the Jenkins Master on the node missions. So we have made a permanent connection. Thanks all. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe, like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more technical videos and encourage me. I know you guys do it. Cheers.